The future of our oceans lies at the intersection of science, empathy, innovation, and collective action.
Scientific thinking is not a destination found in a textbook, it is a lifelong habit of mind. This initiative was designed to be a strategic bridge between the classroom theory and the real-world urgency.
While working on this project, I feel like I've learnt a lot, not only about marine ecosystems, but also about my interest, which is in particle physics. Now, through this project, I've been able to combine two domains, and I've been able to make a design along with my peers in collaboration, which actually addresses the problem at hand.
Our project is about using the fundamental forces of nature like muons and the particles. Muons, which are fundamental particles that arrive from space, our detector can see those, and now the muons, they have a really nice thing about them. They deflect, so they interact with the density of the object. So by measuring the angles of deflection, you can detect any cracks, any anomalies to save many innocent lives.
Aqua Sentinel is a oil detection network. It consists of many buoys which float in the water, and they constantly check for oil spills so that they can detect it early and marine life does not get affected. So whenever there is an oil spill, the hydrocarbon sensor will detect unnatural levels of hydrocarbons, and it will alert the land stations.
Since it's real-time monitoring, it will immediately detect oil spills and it will greatly reduce the damage to marine ecosystems.
So this year the theme was Underwater Lives Matter. This main purpose of STEAM Conclave is to go beyond the scope of syllabus and connect the students what they learn in the textbook to the outside world.